How to remove Shopee ads from Android, Samsung. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to remove Shopee ads from Android, Samsung. Open the Shopee app and log in to your account. To remove the ads from Shopee, hold on to the Shopee app. Reach the app info and select the Open by Default option. Enable this option and go back. Now, go to the app's permission option. Allow no app permissions option here. Enable the pause app activity if unused. Then go to the settings of your phone. Search for apps and go to app storage. Select the Shopee app and clear its cache and data. Now search for display and reach to display over other apps. Scroll down and select the Shopee app. Disable the allow display over other apps option. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.